naghahanap ka ng trendiest spot na pwede ka mag-dine in at mag-relax kasama ang barkada o pamilya, try mo na rin dito sa The Trendy Resto Bar and Cafe. This trendy hotspot offers not only delicious food and drinks, siguradong magugustuhan mo rin dito dahil napaka-cozy at napaka-relaxing ng kanilang ambience, perfect for casual meetups or a night out with friends and family. At excited na rin tayong matikman ang kanilang mga signature dishes. Una kong natikman itong kanilang masarap at fresh na Caesar salad. At hindi rin nagpapatalo sa lasa itong kanilang creamy pumpkin carrot soup. They also serve grilled pork cheese sandwich with creamy tomato soup. First time ko rin matry itong masarap nilang Kapampangan longganisa pasta na lalong pinasarap ng kanilang special vinegar sauce. And for the main course naman, natikman natin ang kanilang crispy kare-kare with bagoong. At ang kanilang beef misono na sobrang nagustuhan naming lahat dahil napaka-tender ng beef at swabe ang lasa. Hindi rin magpapahuli ang kanilang trendy beef caldereta and Spanish seafood salpicao. Natikman din namin ang kanilang boneless bangus thermidor na generously topped with cheese. They also serve beef steak and chicharon bulaklak. Kung nakikrave ka naman ng hot soup, pwede kang umorder nitong kanilang masarap na trendy bulalo with bone marrow. At kung naghahanap ka rin ng masarap na pulutan, available din ito sa kanilang menu. Meron silang malasang buffalo wings while their tuna ceviche was fresh and refreshing. Must try din itong kanilang tuna sisig and drunken prawns with dipping sauce. Perfect for sipping while unwinding naman with friends itong kanilang mga refreshing cocktail drinks. Di rin mawawala itong kanilang masarap na dessert and hot coffee after kumain. At kung gusto mo rin na mag-celebrate or mag-party-party ng special occasions, meron din silang function hall na pwedeng ma-accommodate ang 100 to 120 packs. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng lugar na kung saan mabubusog ka sa kwentuhan, tsikahan, at masasarap na food, let's Gina dito sa The Trendy Resto Bar and Cafe. Enjoy mga ka-trendy, mga tana!